Have you heard of midlife crisis? Well, if you're in your 40s, you don't have a midlife crisis. It doesn't your 40s does not have to be a midlife crisis because I think that decade can also be a launch pad for an incredible future. Anyway, in this video, I'm sharing the exact simple investments that I'm making in my 40s, now in my health, in my relationships, in the future, in my money, to make sure that the next decade of my life is even better than the last one. So it to cut across different aspects of life, and I hope that I can inspire somebody to take action in order to get ready to sort of bulletproof the next decade. Let's get into it. Some of the things that I have started to invest in is my health, not using money initially, because when I googled this, I realized that a lot of a lot of the answers that came up on Google has to do with money, and we all know that you invest in stocks, in shares, in your ISA. That's fine. You can do that once you have enough money. But I think there are tiny subtle changes that we need to do. We need to invest in our 40s that can make, looking into the future a lot better. In addition to the money, of course. So the first thing for me is my weight. So I started to notice that when I wake up, I can hear sounds. I can hear bones cracking when I wake up. So it takes a while for the body to adjust and get back into itself. So for now, I've started to invest some time, mindful time, in my health, especially for when I wake up. So I came across a video by Denzel Washington saying that when we wake up in the morning, we should take some time, about 5 minutes, to just sit in stillness, gather our thoughts, not to plan the day ahead, but to try and sort of meditate, be present in the moment. So I've started to do that. Just take 5 minutes before I then grab my phone to say my prayers or think of the day. And I'm not necessarily one person that would look at our emails in the morning. I don't do that until I'm dressed and getting ready for work. Then I'll start to check my emails. But I use my phone. It has my Bible app on it. So yes, I have to do that. So after the 5 minutes and the morning meditation is done, one thing I follow up with is stretching exercises. Yes, I have started to spend time in stretching my body, stretching my bones every morning, because those cracks, I don't know if they will get louder. So in order to ensure that we have things in the right order with the bones in the body for the next decades, it's my health. But also going forward, I think I want to start going for runs. I don't know how I'm going to do it or what time I will have, especially when we have wind. In summer, it may be great because the sun will come out a lot earlier. But in winters, I don't know how I'm going to get around that, but I'm sure I'll cross it when I get to that bridge. So I would like to start running. I would also like to start weight training, because I've heard so many creators have started to, well, they've spoken about it, or I've seen doctors share the benefits of weight training in your 40s, rather than leaving it too late. If we can get that part down, I'm sure that will be helpful. The next thing I've started to invest in is in my children. Yes, in family. Spending time with my family is becoming a very important priority for me. So I'm scaling back from work and trying to spend more meaningful time with them, especially with a toddler. I think with that one, there is no way around it. You simply have to devote that time. But with my teenagers, the relationship is a little bit different. The dynamics are a little bit different. We've moved on from coaching to consultants, where they have a mind of their own. They come to you for advice, but at the same time, what we realize is that while we're still parents, our advice is, it's not as hefty as it would be when they were just very young, so to speak. So now at 19, at 16, in your teenage years, you might hear your parents' advice, you seek the advice, but it's up to them to take it. So Now I am exploring what the dynamics of that relationship, what the effect it is having on other members of the family. The next thing I'm also investing in is building memories. Now it's about taking holidays and being present. It's about being present in those holidays, but at the same time documenting the holidays so that we can watch back. I find myself looking through old photos now. I find myself watching old videos now. Videos of, christening, weddings that we may have attended, or family members of ours. Yes, I'm devoting time to that, to building memories. I want to travel. I want to walk down a new street. I want to visit a new shopping mall. I want to visit new areas. I want to explore new villages. I want to explore new cities. Yes, that's a thing for me. I'm building memories along the way. I'm also devoting time to building community on YouTube. I'm seeking people over the age of 40 who are interested in redesigning life, people who have active working lives but are looking for something better, people who are looking to inspire other people who are looking to make genuine money, genuine connection, and create genuine opportunities. Yes. Then I'm also investing in passive income. So I have started this YouTube channel to sort of generate income, to document lives, to inspire other people. And I'm hoping that eventually it will come into a very big seed that I'm not going to spell out right now, but it's something that will benefit thousands of people while also leaving a legacy for the future. So those are the simple things I am investing in, so that this decade is going to be a good and great one. What are you investing in your 40s?